And that's the end. Lesson 6.11, use the duck principle to show that each equation is true. Let me do the first one. So 4 square root of 125 times fourth root of, I'm sorry, I said 4 square root. It's a fourth root of square root of 125 is 5. And how, right? So the duck principle means if walks like a duck, and quacks like a duck, then it is duck. So these two looks the same. So we can use the principle. So if, for example, if you have a square root of 125 and square root of 5, we know that it's a square root of 625. So if you have 4, if it's a fourth root, it works the same. Okay. So the only difference is if you have a fourth root of 625, that means what number, if you have 4 copies of that, you get 625. So in other words, what number to the 4th power is 625? Which is 5, right? So 5 to the 4th power is 625. Therefore, 4th power of 5 to the 4th power, that is 5. And that's the end. Number 7, suppose you need storage space twice the size of your existing storage space, that is 10 by 10 by 10 feet or 1000 cubic feet. Why can't you double the length of every side of your existing space? What if you double each side? You'll have 20 by 20 by 20 feet. What would be the volume of that? Would that be twice as much as 1000 cubic feet? It wouldn't be. So explain that, showing some work. B, how long does each side of the larger space need to be to make it twice the size of the smaller space? So we want x times x times x. We want that to be twice as much as the storage, which is 1000 cubes. So we have x to the third equals 2000. So what number to the third power is 2000? Okay, that should be the answer. That should be the length of each side of the new boxes. Okay. Last one, Jasper has a cube with the volume of 100 square cubic centimeter. In which of the following ranges is x the length of the cube's side in centimeters? Yeah, so you have a cube, and let's say each side is x, so you multiply that each side 3 times, and that's got to be 100. So that means x to the third is 100. In other words, what number to the third power is 100? Find that out.